Today we will be testing the vertical horizontal moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the vertical, horizontal, moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 545 indicators, with 231 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so back to today's indicator. It is the vertical horizontal moving average, and you can see it here on screen. I did change the period on this to 30 because that is kind of the default that we've tested most moving averages on, and so that way to keep things a little bit fair. And of course this is a moving average, and it is one that does change colors from green to red and back, and so it's pretty easy to know what we should be doing. When it goes green, we will be going long. When it goes red, we will be going short. So like I said, relatively simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal we picked up was a long signal. Price action pushes up just a little bit right there, just enough to hit our take profit, just barely. But then we pick up a short right here. This one immediately gets closed out as we pick up a long on the very next candle. That long right there does get a little push to the upside as well, which also gets us to take profit on that one. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a short signal right here, but pretty much immediately it gets closed out as we pick up a long on the next candle. That one does push up, getting us to take profit. Then we have a similar setup right here. It comes down, gives us a short for just one candle, then immediately flips back to a long right here on this one, which again pushes up and gets us to take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Alright, got everything in focus. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So we have 34 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Looks like about midway through, you see that I moved it down to the pane down below, and I bumped up the opacity or the weight of the moving average there, and it's because it was getting really hard to see. And here's a good reason, good example as to why. So we missed one right there because it was hidden in price action, and so it looks like we picked up 2 more trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. Again, not going to meet the 60% criteria. Not really surprised by this. Those of you who are regular viewers to the channel know the struggle that we've had with moving averages, being consistent with taking any kind of decent win rate. And so this one gave us a pretty similar setup as far as the number of trades, and a similar setup with the win rate, unfortunately. And so this is why I have personally become a kind of a not so big fan of moving averages, at least as a single line kind of entry exit type setup. There are other ways of doing it, definitely better indicators. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling on here. Another moving average, another losing moving average, and so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.